Good morning, so it is the next day and I have quite a hike today. I will walk around 10 miles today at least. I decided to bring this stuff today with me. So for sure the GoPro Hero 7, then the camera, then the gimbal for the Sony Erics here to make some shots and some stuff. So I do hope I have not too much stuff on me. In total is around 7 kilograms, but I think so far it's okay. So I have everything, let's go. So it is fresh but not too fresh, so it's okay with my clothes, so it's not really an issue. I'm on the way to the metro station again. I think I already took a wrong turn. I'm so terrible with navigation. So I have found a new way. Strange place, very much space. Quite no people here, but I think it has to do with Sunday morning. At least I know where I am thanks to the shopping mall on the right to me. Pretty good. So I am on the way to a viewpoint. It's around 3 miles from here now, because before it was around 8 miles, and because I want to make many things today, I thought I'd drive a little bit nearer with the subway and then walk. I think when I'm walking I'm using my GoPro again instead of crappy pilot's fly stuff. Isn't that just beautiful? But I'm not quite there. Still around 1 mile up, but then I should have a great view. risk it if I go to a new way now then. So I made it to the next park group. There now. From 6 things I already done, so on the way down is 12 o'clock now. So now to the beach with the subway. Again 4 miles to the beach because I took one station too late. So the wait time is around 1 hour to go upstairs. It's now 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet, so I will not go, maybe a little bit later. First I need to eat something. Because it was already late, I just decided to go in the nearby supermarket and buy some snacks. I think here I'm wrong. I have to find another way. I will not go up to the mountain behind me. It's too far away and I cannot walk any longer because I already made around 50 miles today at least. So maybe tomorrow. But I will see. Actually I took a round trip, but I decided not to go back because of the big line. Because here is also a big line of 1 hour, so no, €5 away, but I don't care. But I'm feeling my feet now. They're hurting. So I am on the move again. It's a quiet city. I like this city. So we have 5 o'clock. In about 2 hours the sun will go down. Yeah, I'm pretty alone here as well. Maybe not a typical tourist place. I expect so. But I will search now the next subway station and drive to the central of the city.